Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do milk bath nails. They're very simple, but just stay tuned and I'm going to teach you how to do them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Also, click that notification bell to get notified when I upload another video, and let's get right into it. Right now, we're prepping the nail with a 180 sanding band. You want to have it on a low speed so you do not burn your client's natural nail bed. You want to make sure the nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want it too small of a nail or too big of a nail. Right here you see me using nail nippers. I use the nail nippers to clip the bottom of the nail tip just so the nail tip can fit perfectly on the nail. I have the right size nail, but cutting those corners just does something to fit the nail even more better so it's not glued onto their skin. Now I'm clipping the sides of the nail. Clipping the sides of the nail helps you reduce your filing time and also helps you give you that perfect tapered coffin look. Now I'm using an 80/80 grit file. You can use any file that you prefer, but I prefer an 80/80 grit because it's nice and strong and it gives me that perfect shape I need. Now when you file, you can file up and down. I also turn the nail so I can get all angles of the nail and see what I missed or what I need to file. You always want to blend your client's nail tip into their nail bed with a 180 sanding band on low speed. You always want to apply the nail prep dehydrator first on the nail and then the nail primer. Now you want to start with a little ball of clear acrylic to put on your client's natural nail bed before you put on any colored acrylic. You do this because you don't want to damage their natural nail bed with the colored acrylic or stain their natural nail bed. So for this part, I'm using a custom-made Milky white color to do the milk bath nails. So to start, you want to get a generous amount, but like a thin amount of Milky white and just spread it down the nail, not too thick. Now it's time to add the flowers for the milk bath nail. You can use any flowers that you like or prefer. I just used a generous amount of little flowers that I had already. I got them off of Amazon, and I'm just spreading them throughout the nail until I'm satisfied with how many flowers are in the nail. Now to add more milk bath color. Now to do this part, you want to take the same like you did in the beginning is a generous amount, but you don't want to get too much because you don't want to cover the flowers too much to where you're just having a white nail. So you want to just keep spreading on the nail until you can see the flowers, but they're kind of hidden under like they're in a bath. Now back to the 80/80 grit nail file. I'm using this nail file to reshape the nail after the acrylic process to get that perfect tapered coffin look. cuticle oil on your client's finger before they wash their hands. And here's the finished look, guys. And I love this look so much. It's nice and smooth, clean, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. And again, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video. And turn that notification bell on so you know when I post another video. And thanks for watching.